back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today is November 22nd and I have finally finished all of my homework and I'm really excited. I only need to do my finals and that's it, but that's going to be until next week because this week we are on Thanksgiving break. So yeah, so finally I get to relax, kind of, because I feel like I have to do a lot of things still. But anyways, I'm happy that I'm finally done with all of my homework and all of my projects. So yeah, I could finally film videos and edit my videos. But anyways, today I'm actually going to be pre-filming like 3 or 4 videos because I want to unbox the Influenster VoxBoxes that I received, and I want to show you guys because I actually received 2 other ones the other days. But anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing this VoxBox that I received from Influenster, and this one is the Ritz cheese crispers, and it says Influencer right here. It's a pretty big box, but it feels like super light, and as you can see, I have not opened it yet. Here it is. Ta-da! Okay, so as usual, it comes with a card, and this one is the Ritz cheese crispers potato and wheat chips. So this is interesting. I don't think I've ever tried anything like that. I mean, I've ate a lot of different types of Ritz, just not like potato and wheat chips type of Ritz. It says, get ready to discover the latest sensation from Ritz, the brand you know and love. These delightfully crispy and cheesy bites are oven baked and bursting with flavor. Ritz cheese crispers are available in both cheddar and 4 cheese and herb flavors. That's what the card looks like, and in the back it just tells me what to do and how to review the Ritz. Okay, so they did send me 2 little bags of chips. Here they are. Okay, and these are both the same. These are the cheese crispers and cheddar. So this is what they look like. Delightfully crispy and cheesy, baked with real cheese. So yeah, they're exactly the same. So I will be testing one out right now and see if I like it. And hopefully I don't break my braces. It smells very cheesy. So that's what it looks like, and it looks like a little stop sign. So cute. Smells really good. I mean, if you like cheese, it smells good. So here I go. It's interesting. Okay, so they taste pretty good, but it just does have like the after flavor is like the Ritz cookies or crackers. I feel like they kind of taste like the goldfish crackers, the little fishes. Yeah, they taste pretty good. So far, I like it. I'm really happy that Influencer sent me this VoxBox. I will be giving this one to my boyfriend to try out. Hopefully he likes it. And I will be finishing this one today. So anyways, thank you so much to Influencer and Ritz for this VoxBox. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's that. I didn't expect to get this VoxBox. I didn't know they were gonna send me chips or anything. And you know what? I think I'm going to be opening the other VoxBox that I have right here. So this video isn't like too short. It's another little VoxBox, and it's this one right here. This one is the Nature Bounties, a jelly bean vitamin. Yes, the future of wellness tastes great. So it is a Nature Bounty VoxBox. So let's open it up. Ta-da! Okay, so as usual, it comes with a card. Yep, this is a Nature Bounty VoxBox. Well, actually, this is a adult jelly bean campaign. And apparently these are new vitamins because these are like jelly bean type of vitamins, and there's different kinds. There's a multivitamins, the immune system ones, the sleep and energy vitamins. And let's see, which ones did I get? Ta-da! So I got the sleep jelly beans. So I'm really excited for this because I actually been struggling to sleep. I've been sleeping till like 2 or 3 in the morning. So these are going to be very helpful, hopefully. Let's see. Sleep jelly beans promotes restful sleep so you can wake up refreshed with melatonin. Mixed berry flavored. And these are vegetarian dietary supplements, and it comes with 80 jelly beans. That's that. Let's take a look. Let's see if they smell funky or anything. Hopefully I could chew these because I have braces. I don't want to break a bracket. Okay, smells like raspberries, and as you can see, they're all purple or burgundy, whatever you want to call them. Kind of want to eat one right now. So this is what they look like. They actually look like jelly beans, and they are kind of soft. I mean, not super soft like gummies. I feel like I could probably chew this. Anyways, I will let you guys know how I like these vitamins. Let me know if you guys have tried these or if you guys have tried any of these other vitamins. If I like these, I'm probably going to get the multivitamin ones. But anyways, that's everything that I got in this small little VoxBox. I'm really happy that Influenster sent me this VoxBox. So thank you so much to Nature's Bounty and Influencer. I can't wait to try these out tonight and we will see if they make me sleepy. If you guys also want to try out free products, make sure to go sign up. It is completely free and I will have the link in the description box. And yeah, so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.